We want to see if the expression 3 times the quantity 4 plus 5 is a correct expression for finding the area of the compound rectangle below. Now notice when I said the quantity of 4 plus 5, the reason I said that was because 4 plus 5 is inside of parentheses. So I'm doing 3 times the entire sum of 4 plus 5. From what we know about order of operations, we know that we would perform the operations inside the parentheses first. So our first operation here would be addition of 4 plus 5. Now let's relate that to the compound rectangle in the figure. Our compound rectangle is one larger rectangle made up of 2 smaller rectangles. But if we think of it as one large rectangle that I've highlighted here in blue, we could think of the rectangle as having one width and one length. Now, if I look at this rectangle now, the top side, instead of a separate 4 and a separate 5, I can think of the top part of this rectangle as 4 plus 5. Now, the side length of 3, we would consider that to be the width of the rectangle, but now the entire expression 4 plus 5, we can consider that as the length of the rectangle. And since we know that area is length times width, we would need to do the entire quantity of 4 plus 5 times the width, which is 3. So what that means is that 3 times the quantity 4 plus 5 is a correct choice for finding the area of this compound rectangle.